So here's how to hide chats on WhatsApp. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your WhatsApp account. Once you are logged into your WhatsApp account, now here you have to simply select the chat that you want to hide, or you can select multiple chats here. Once you have selected the chat, now you have to long press on it. After that, you have to click on the archive option to archive the chat. Another way to hide your chats on WhatsApp is you have to simply click on the profile of the person. Once you click on the profile of the person, now here you have to simply click on their name, and after that here you have to click on the chat log option. Once you click on it, now it will ask you to enter your code, and after that your chat will be logged. By using these two methods on WhatsApp, you can simply hide your chats. So that's how to hide chats on WhatsApp.